Here is the Occiam True Wireless Earbuds. These are the X2 models. I have a few other earbuds from this company, and they went and sent some other ones. These are AirPod Pro alternatives. They're but so far I am one of the first people to get these. So they're brand new and you can get them on Amazon. So they're sweat proof, they have premium sound, lightweight, they have a smart quick pairing with Bluetooth 5.0, they have an ergonomic design, and they last about 6 hours on a single charge, and standby time 68 hours, 33 feet, transmission range, Bluetooth range. So they're really good. Now you're not getting like obviously the Apple chip because these aren't AirPod clones, AirPod Pro clones. These are just AirPod Pro inspirations. Yeah. So here's the user manual. You have just some basic information. Here you scratch off the little gift card thing and you can either get the first, second, or third prize. It already comes with a year of warranty, so that's really cool, very nice, really unique. Here are the earbuds themselves. They come in a nice foam surrounded, so they will not get damaged during shipping. Shipping is very fast, obviously, because it's from Amazon. So they look really nice, obviously. The plastic build is really good. The magnetic hinge on here is also really good. As you can see, I do have AirPods, the normal ones, not AirPod Pros. They're obviously way better than AirPods the first gen. If you're thinking about getting AirPods, don't. They're more expensive. You can get these. They have noise cancellation. They have really good noise cancellation. And I have like 10 plus pairs of earbuds. So trust me when I say that this is better than this. Okay? The accessories. So you just have some extra earbud tips and some other stuff. So as you can see, nicely wrapped. You have a USB Type-C to Type-A cable and small and large earbud tips. Nicely packaged. Take a closer look. So USB Type-C on the bottom. You have, they only flash green and red when they're in the charging case. They will not flash outside of it. But once they're paired, they will never flash. Ergonomic design of these earbuds are so amazing. They fit very flush in your ear. Very nice. As you can see, you have a right and then a microphone, and then you have the prongs on the bottom charging. It's going to be really good because there's several microphones and it just looks really nice. Look at that. So it is shorter stem. They're wider. Obviously, these ones have noise cancellation. They both have touch sensitivity, so you can pause, play, voice assistant. Same thing on this, or this one does not have the Siri chip for AirPods 2 generation. But basically, these ones do. You can play, pause, skip, rewind. You can lower and increase the volume. You might not be able to see all of them, but these are my top 5 favorite earbuds of 2020. As you can see, these ones are in the middle because right now they are my favorite. Good noise cancellation on these as well. No noise cancellation, noise cancellation, noise cancellation. So you see the difference. I love noise cancellation. So when I say this, these are definitely one of the best noise cancellation earbuds on the market right now. Tied between their own brand and this one right now. I haven't tried other brands, but I will. If you guys have any recommendations, I will try other brands and I'll let you guys know as well. But these ones, very slim, compact. They're same size as AirPods, a little bit wider actually. Yep, just like a hair bigger than regular AirPods.